I'm Dr. Springston, and I teach Communication and Multimedia Systems here at SUNY Oswego Department of Technology. In this class, we do a lot of multimedia processes, but we want to focus too on making sure that our end product communicates to our audience. Students do a variety of things from photo technology to a multimedia. Even this video that we're making right now is some of the different processes that they work on. We also do some web work, how to make sure that all of our different products that we make, from animations to a poster design, work at different resolutions and in different formats, from print to on the web, and they all look good. So we have to pay attention to resolution when we're working with bitmaps. And the students get to do this in a very, I think, a fun, exciting environment.
My name is Ben Sullivan. I'm currently a student in TEL 363 Communication Systems. I really enjoyed doing the image lab composite. What this was, we got a bunch of media from the web and some photos that we took on our own, and we used Adobe Photoshop to take these different pieces, bring them together, and create our own poster composite.
We get to do a lot of collaborative, and we also do a little bit of teamwork when we do the multimedia project, where students make a video on some topic that's assigned to them. So there's a variety of things they get to do, and this is skills that they can use throughout their careers as technology teachers, or just out in the field when they want to communicate some kind of message. For example, if they have to try to recruit for the program. Let's say they're a middle school teacher and they need to make up a little promotional video to show the grade schoolers what they're going to do when they get to middle school for technology, or for the middle school to go to the high school. So I think it's a really fun class, and students have a lot of opportunities to make connections and go through the process. And the process can be very similar, from the start of what am I going to do my poster design on, to what would I like my photo gallery to look like, to what do we want the end product of our multimedia project to look like.